Hey, what you doing? That's a toy, not a bone, silly. Don't drag it. It's just a toy. There's plenty more than that came from. No, 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 no,
Hey,
no, no,
didn't
no,
you know the
no, no,
proper
no,
way
no,
to
no.
use the toy for?
Certainly not. No, what?
I hope you know what you're doing. Ow! Oh! First, play with it. Second, put your paw in the jar. Then third, I'll do this.
Ow!
Bang!
Ow! 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 Ow!
Ask and answer. Knew it and blew it. Bang!
Ow! Oh!
Oh!
Stop it! That
Oh! You
hurts.
crazy mean old bird!
Ah.
What did you do that for? Just because you chew it up with some toys and you ate it, doesn't mean it's not food.
Mm. Well, it tastes like rubber.
Well, this one is gonna give the vomit out of you.
Yeah.
Wild dogs. Funny folks.